Have you ever wondered how those healthy, plump cows on farms are cared for to reach their ideal weight? And how modern technology plays a role in making the cattle slaughter and processing lines in factories efficient, safe, and sustainable? In this video, we'll uncover the fascinating world of fattening cow farming equipment and technology. From machinery that aids in rapid growth to state-of-the-art slaughter and processing lines that ensure high-quality beef, you'll get to witness the meticulous process, from selecting the cows and caring for them to the crucial steps in processing the final product. Don't miss out on this opportunity to explore the perfect combination of traditional farming and advanced technology, revolutionizing an entire industry.
The light cargo truck stands as a testament to efficiency in feed transportation. With its robust engine and impressive load capacity, it streamlines operations, saving precious time and elevating workflow. Built to endure, its durable construction guarantees unwavering reliability in the field. Transitioning to the RMH-TMR self-propelled mixers, these machines are expertly designed for grinding and feeding silage. They revolutionize the feeding process by automating essential tasks, ensuring top-notch feed quality and, ultimately, boosting productivity across the board. No longer do farmers have to struggle. This innovation lifts the burden. Now, let's talk about the Almond A85 machine. This powerhouse delivers outstanding performance with its adjustable settings, skillfully tackling various terrains. With such innovation, large-scale farms can manage their tasks efficiently, paving the path for agricultural success. Additionally, the automatic grass cutting and fertilizing system brings forth a continuous supply of fresh feed directly to livestock. This commitment to sustainable farming practices not only nurtures the animals but also results in increased milk production. It's a win-win for farmers and their herds. In the realm of calf management, the Calf Guard Duo steps up to the plate. It enhances feeding efficiency by allowing two calves to be fed simultaneously, effectively saving time while ensuring proper nutrition during those critical growth stages. This support lays the groundwork for healthier calf development. The TMRM 11700 mixer is engineered for optimal silage mixing and feeding, significantly enhancing productivity. With its self-propelled design, time and labor costs dwindle, allowing farmers to focus on what truly matters in their operations. Switching gears to instant freezing therapy, this cutting-edge technology delivers cold treatment in just 30 seconds. It plays a crucial role in pain relief and quick recovery for horses, proving vital for their optimal performance. In the world of equestrian care, this innovation is a game-changer. Meanwhile, the John Deere 6400 tractors simplify hay cutting and straw baling, transforming the way livestock feed is stored. This powerful machinery amplifies output while effectively reducing the workload for farmers, ensuring they can do more with less effort. Lastly, the A8000 clip cage signifies a revolution in livestock management. By merging trimming and clipping into one seamless process, it saves farmers valuable time and effort. Its thoughtful design minimizes stress for the animals, ensuring safety during health checks while promoting a harmonious farming environment. Nutritional management systems leverage automated feeding to deliver precise diets for cattle. This strategic approach not only enhances nutrient intake but also drives consistent weight gain effectively, optimizing the feed conversion ratios and ensuring that every ounce of feed counts. Transitioning from feed to health, automatic grooming machines step in, playing a pivotal role in maintaining the hygiene of our cows. By skillfully removing dirt and parasites, these machines dramatically reduce the risk of infections, resulting in healthier cattle and significantly improving the quality of milk they produce. In addition to grooming, automated hoof trimming machines are vital for providing efficient foot care to our cattle. These machines ensure their overall well-being, minimizing stress during the process. A well-maintained hoof not only promotes health but also fosters uniformity among livestock, contributing to a thriving herd. With all these advancements, modern cattle handling systems come into play, designed to significantly reduce stress during herd management. Utilizing advanced gates and hydraulic controls, they streamline livestock flow, allowing for a more efficient and humane approach to managing our cattle. As we look at the bigger picture, the livestock industry emphasizes the critical importance of efficiency and quality, right from importation to the final stages of meat packaging. It is here that technological advancements and sustainable practices shape not just the present but the future of livestock processing. In this vital operation, quality control measures stand as the backbone of the processing line. With regular inspections and strict adherence to hygiene protocols, we ensure that every product not only meets regulatory standards but also satisfies the discerning expectations of consumers. Moreover, these quality control measures guarantee that only meat products which meet stringent standards make their way to packaging. This detailed and meticulous process is not merely routine, it's essential for upholding consumer trust and ensuring product safety in every bite. As we focus on meat preservation, advanced packaging technologies play a key role in optimizing the process. These innovations are crucial, not just for safeguarding meat but also for extending its shelf life, ensuring that freshness is maintained throughout distribution. Finally, we cannot overlook the importance of efficient distribution networks, which are critical for delivering meat products promptly to retailers. Timely delivery is essential, not just to meet consumer demands but also to sustain the quality that we have worked so hard to maintain. Before stepping into the production area, it's essential for workers to maintain a high standard of cleanliness. This isn't just a routine, it's a powerful statement about the importance of hygiene in the food manufacturing industry. By prioritizing cleanliness, we underline our commitment to safety and rigorous quality control. The journey begins with thawing the meat, a vital step that prepares it for the intense processing ahead. This crucial phase ensures that the meat reaches the perfect temperature, setting the stage for a meticulous selection process. Once thawed, the meat faces a stringent selection process that demands the removal of unwanted fat and fascia. This isn't just about aesthetics, it guarantees that only the highest quality meat makes its way into the final product, ensuring excellence at every bite. Marinating the meat emerges as a key player in enhancing flavor and extending preservation. For 2 days, the meat rests at low temperatures, allowing it to cure properly, absorbing all the robust flavors needed to captivate the taste buds. Next comes the drying process, a critical phase that requires no less than 100 minutes of high heat. This step is uncompromising, as it effectively extracts moisture, ensuring the beef jerky's shelf life is significantly extended and ready for the long haul. Before packaging, quality control takes center stage with stringent metal detection procedures. This important safeguard guarantees that the final product stands as a beacon of safety, free from any contaminants that could jeopardize consumer health. Next, the beef jerky is portioned by weight, a crucial practice that ensures consistency in both packaging and pricing. This methodical approach not only sustains quality but also enhances customer satisfaction, knowing they are getting exactly what they pay for. Sealing the product with an oxygen scavenger is another essential measure, preserving freshness and significantly extending shelf life. This critical step reinforces our commitment to food safety and quality, ensuring that each product delivered to consumers is nothing short of exceptional. Finally, the inspection process involves the relentless use of a weight checker and metal detector to uphold product safety and compliance. These diligent measures work tirelessly to prevent contamination and errors, solidifying our promise of quality to every individual who enjoys our beef jerky.
As we've seen, the world of fattening cow farming and meat processing is a perfect blend of tradition and cutting-edge technology. From the careful care of the cattle to the precision of modern machinery, every step is designed to ensure the best quality beef for consumers. The future of farming is evolving, and it's fascinating to witness these advancements firsthand. If you found this insight into the cattle farming and processing industry interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth videos. Leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear your opinion on how technology is shaping the future of agriculture.